Is it important to join a DJing school to learn DJing, or is it alright to just buy a DJ controller and learn online or on YouTube? Watch this video till the end because the answers will surprise you. Hello everyone, my name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'm very happy and overwhelmed with all of the support that you guys have been showing me and my YouTube channel. I'm finally starting to feel that you guys are liking the content that I'm putting out over here. If you think I'm right, you can hit that like button and let me know. Thank you guys. And now that we have our own little community here on YouTube, I have a new name for you guys. For all you guys who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, people who like, share and comment in all of my YouTube videos, our little family will now be called as the DB crew. That's you guys. Okay, you guys have been asking me a lot of questions and I've been writing them all down. And one of them, awesome questions, is the topic of this video today. Is it important to join a DJing school, or is it alright to just buy a DJ controller and learn online or on YouTube? Learning online has become extremely simple right now, and a lot of videos are being uploaded on YouTube in this platform every single day. So if there's any topic under the sun, you can actually search for that topic here on this platform and you will find answers to all of that. And to be honest with you guys, I'm a product of YouTube learning. Yes, I learned DJing online here on YouTube in my initial days of my DJing career. 12 years ago, when YouTube was still coming up here in India, I searched this topic on YouTube. There were not many videos, but I learned whatever there was. I watched almost all of the videos that were uploaded and I learned a lot from YouTube. Whatever I had learned was mostly a lot of theory, but it was not physical learning. I had no hands-on experience with an actual console. I learned a lot, however, whatever I had learned was not validated. Meaning, there was no one to tell me if I was right or wrong and if I was learning correctly or not. And so I decided to join a DJing course. I looked around and I found out that there was someone teaching DJing at home. That's right, it was not a school. Some senior DJ was teaching DJing at home, and so I opted for it. There were two more students along with me and we all learned DJing in the course of 3 months. I paid about 15 or 20,000 rupees back then and all of us graduated. We all got our certificates. And that is where I realized the importance of learning from someone. Even though I had known a lot of the things that my teacher was trying to teach me theoretically, the hands-on experience, the one-on-one interaction, and the bits of knowledge that my teacher would share with me actually helped me learn the art in a better way. So basically, learning under a supervision is extremely important because you will have someone to correct you and guide you if you make mistakes. Apart from DJing, you also learn the business side of things. You understand how the industry works and you also learn the good things and the bad things that come along the way. So when you're starting off, learning online is absolutely fine. When you buy a DJ controller and start learning online or on YouTube, you learn a lot of things about the art. You learn whether you are cut out for this or not. And when you learn DJing at home, you will figure out if you are interested in this topic or if you think it's getting too complicated. Some people lose interest and they just leave it, and others keep learning and their interest only grows. So the answer to the question is that learning online will definitely help you, and it will help you in understanding if DJing is for you or not. And when you think you're ready, I strongly recommend that you should go ahead and join a DJing course, because the social interaction, the one-on-one connection that you have with people, meeting all the other people that are already a part of the industry will make you more confident and it will make you and your base stronger. Now mind you, I'm not saying join a DJing school. I said join a DJing course. Now what I mean by that is that I want you to join a DJing course. It doesn't have to be a school. It can also be that you join and learn from a senior DJ. Basically, the education needs to be more important. Here comes the bitter truth. There are a lot of DJing schools out there and a lot of them are now a business module. So it's extremely important to understand which DJing school or course to join, and I will speak more about that in my next video. After seeing a lot of DJing schools over the course of my DJ career, I have a few tips that I want to share with you guys that will definitely help you in choosing the right school or the right master for you. And I will also tell you if you should join a DJing school or is it okay to just join a senior DJ and learn from them instead. So if you're interested to know that, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified when that video is out. That's it for today, guys. If you have any more questions or suggestions, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. You can also message me on Instagram. I reply to almost all of my messages. That's been it. My name is Deep. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.